Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will see 5 important factors that influence and plays a major role to become successful. Yes, my dear friends, I guarantee you that if you follow these 5 important things, very important things that will change your entire life. Yes, friends, these 5 important factors have changed even my life also. Number 1, belief. My dear friends, what you believe is what you become. So friends, belief is one of the most important thing, very important factor that turns around your life. And friends, what is belief? So friends, let us see what is belief. Friends, belief is something which you can see or which you can feel it and describe it to some other. You can describe it to somebody. That is called belief. But friends, tell me one thing. What about those things which we can't see? For example, happiness, love, anger. Can you see them? Are they real? Yes, they are real. Happiness, love and anger, these things are very powerful and they exist. Am I right? Like that, belief is really powerful tool which can transform you into a great successful person. Believe in me. So friends, belief will change your actions and the way you make your choices in your life. Friends, do you believe in God? God has created us, made us. He loves us and He has given a brilliant thinking ability to us. That is, God has given us brains. We worship different types of God and especially based on our beliefs, we worship different types of God. Don't you? Though we can't see Him physically, we believe in Him. Right? So friends, when we choose to believe, even then we have questions, and that is called faith. Open your brain, ready to receive the information and start believing in whatever you do. Here, I would like to share one of the example. Friends, many of you have heard about the elephant story in circus. You know, in circus, when the elephant is very small and weak, they bring and train it. Usually they tie it to a stick planked inside the soil with a small rope. So from childhood, when it is small, elephant believes that because since it is very weak and small, it can't break it can't pull out the stick and escape from there. So it thinks that once true was always true. When it grows up to a bigger one, older elephant, then also it makes his brain or it believes in that it can't pull out that stick and escape and free herself. So friends, many of us are like that big mightier elephant, though we have power, immense power with us, we still think like that conditioned elephant which can't pull out that stick and escape from, limited beliefs. So friends, what do you want to be? An elephant with that limited beliefs or a mightier person who can just believe things and do it? So my dear friends, my humble request that whatever the work you choose in your life, don't be with limited belief. So friends, how can you change your limiting belief into an empowering beliefs? My dear friends, the magic of empowering beliefs or extraordinary power of beliefs is amazing. If you think you can do a thing, or if you think that you can't do a thing, in both cases you are right. The first step is to acknowledge that a belief is simply a fault you keep thinking. Let's say you want to believe you can do the work you love and be well paid for it. My dear friends, it's time to change that. Since belief is nothing more than a thought you keep thinking, you can easily transform your beliefs by choosing different thoughts. Positive affirmations are a great way to consciously choose your thoughts that contribute to your empowerment rather than undermine it. So, my dear friends, affirmations work best when they are stated in the positive in the present, and especially when they are stated with feeling. And by the way, it is not necessary to completely believe them at first. Repetitions of affirmations lead to belief, and belief leads to physical manifestations. For example, I like to begin my affirmations with stating that I am so happy and appreciate now that I am doing the work I love it. I am well paid doing the work I love. My dear friends, make a promise to yourself right here and right now that you will think empowerment. Yes, I can thought until what I can becomes to what you know for sure. My dear friends, when you know you can, then you escape the prison of limiting beliefs, and definitely you reclaim your power, joy, and freedom. So, friends, belief is the key important factor that leads to your success. So, my dear friends, believe in whatever you do, the first step towards your success, and act accordingly. The second important factor we will discuss in the next video. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe it, share it and like it. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.